Prawn kebab is something that I've been thinking of making, but was just breaking my head how to do it because I don't like the whole prawns. So I thought I'll mince the prawn and make a kebab. So this is totally my recipe. I'm just doing a mix and match and just trying to see if I can get a good blend of this prawn. Not sure if this is going to be any better, but yeah, if it comes out well, I'm definitely posting it. So I had some fresh prawns. I thought I'll add some fresh red chilies. So this is not dried, it's fresh too. A few flakes of garlic, say 7 or 8 flakes of garlic is what I've taken. White pepper, 1 large onion, coriander leaves. Egg white is what I'm going to use to bind it if required. And some breadcrumbs and Shahi Garam Masala from my friend. And of course, salt, which I'm going to add later. Now what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to add all this in my blender here, everything. So I'm going to just churn it once and see what consistency it's going to come to. And in case it's all well, probably there will be new recipe. So here I'm going to put everything in now. So there we go, it's all in the blender. I'm going to churn it and see how it's going to come out. Okay, so here's what I got after I blended it in my blender. Let's see the consistency. So I think it's a pretty okay texture. So I'm going ahead with my recipe. What I'm doing now is adding some salt. The egg white I did add it when I was blending the meat together. So I'm going to add some, say around 1 teaspoon of salt is what I've added. I'm going to check and add more. Now I need to bind it a little, so I'm going to add some breadcrumbs. Yeah, and okay, before that I should be adding a little garam masala. So I'm using my friend's Anisa Zaika garam masala. Like I always keep saying, I love her masalas. It's hand pounded and homemade, and the flavor is amazing. So now I'm trying to get this together. So the breadcrumbs have actually helped me get this together. It's a little soggy, but I don't know. I'm still going to put it in skewers and see how they're going to come out. Like I said, it's just an experimental recipe. Should be coming out well, but let's wait and see. So pretty impressed with what I have got, but now what I'm going to do is I'll keep it in the fridge for some time so that it gets a little more firm. Not very confident of getting this to the pan. So I'll keep it in the fridge for some time and then see how it comes out. So after leaving it in the freezer for some time, it's become a little firm. So I'm just going to dust it with a little more breadcrumbs. I'm a little nervous because I'm doing it for the first time. So I'm just taking all precautions to ensure that it doesn't break. So yeah, so I'm going to do this with all of them and then get it into a non-stick pan. So here we go, they all are neatly dressed. It's like uniform, and they luckily are still very firm. So as they're firm, we'll just get them into the pan and see how it comes out. Keeping my fingers crossed. As you all know, I'm not a big fan of using non-stick, but as I said, this is the first time I'm trying this recipe and I don't want anything to go wrong. I'm going to use a non-stick, and like I always say, prawns do not take long to cook. So we assuming it will cook faster. So get them in the pan and just wait for some time and see how they actually come out. So my pan also has a problem. All the oil is, at the corners. So I'm just going to put them at the corners because I don't want nothing to go wrong at this point of time. And yeah, so I've got a yield of 6 and I'm going to cook them up. My prawn kebab, my style, for the first time. Let me see how they go. Time to toss and turn them. So I think I need to simmer them and then turn them. Oh my god, my heart is in my mouth when I'm doing this. Yeah, so they're nicely browning, and that's what I expect them to look like. Looks like they got a little burn, but it's okay. I mean, I kept the fire on high and I didn't realize. but I think the texture wise they're coming out well. On one side they definitely would look good. So let's wait. Yeah, the prawn would cook fast. Let's wait and see. Okay, they look good. They look good. They look good. I'm happy. It's come out well. So now we have to just check out how it tastes. So I'm going to let you know how it looks, and I'm also going to present it now. So that's how the final product looks. This is my prawn kebab, my style, and I think I love it. So like my channel, subscribe, and if you love it, do share it with your friends. Till then, bye bye.